and who is Heather Amaro, the new addition to the Expedition X team. And let's dive into her background and what makes her a perfect fit for the show. Have you ever wondered about the woman who replaced Jessica Chobot on Expedition X? Heather Amaro, a lifelong paranormal enthusiast, has taken over the role, and viewers are eager to learn more about her. Expedition X is a popular show featuring a team of 3 paranormal investigators exploring eerie events and ghostly encounters across the country. In Season 8, Heather Amaro joined the actual team after Jessica Chobot's departure. Heather Amaro, a second-generation ghost hunter, has been involved in paranormal investigations for over 2 decades. Her passion for the unknown and her family legacy make her an ideal candidate for the show. Amaro is not only passionate about the paranormal, but also about adventure. She loves exploring unique locations worldwide, from jungles to caves and castles. Her enthusiasm for adventure adds on an exciting dimension to the show. But what drives Heather Amaro's passion for the paranormal? The answer lies in the Ghostbusters series, which celebrates its 40th anniversary in 2024. As a huge fan, Amaro finds its motivation in the iconic franchise and its enduring legacy. In her Expedition 10 debut, Heather Amaro faced an intense investigation at the Trans-Allegheny Lunatic Asylum in West Virginia. This haunted location, known as America's most haunted structure, set the stage for Amaro's thrilling introduction to the show. If you're interested in following Heather Amaro's journey, check out her Instagram page. You can also stream the first 7 seasons of Expedition X on Max. And now you know more about Heather Amaro, the new face on Expedition X. So next time you watch the show, remember that she's a lifelong paranormal enthusiast, adventure seeker, and Ghostbusters fan. And who knows? Maybe she'll even find some friendly ghosts along the way. Oh, so. With that said, thanks for watching, and stay curious.